Okay, so this is what we reaped in terms of the sweet potato. This is the reaping for this morning. Sweet potato. God is good, and we are glorifying, giving thanks for His goodness. All right. So yes, and look how this one is big. This one is so big. This one probably, yeah, see where it start like, you know, breaking down here. Yeah, but all of them, they are good, right? I think probably this one will be about pound. Yeah. So just showing you that we did, you know, we reaped good today. Good morning, everybody. This is Sophia coming to you straight from the Macpherson's Love Garden. And this morning, we are going to see if we can find any sweet potato, right? So this is the part we're actually at. We did some planting the other day, replanting of some right here. I did a small video, but for some reason, I can't upload it. So this is what we did. Not yesterday, the day before. It's a nice mustard right here. And we did this bed also. So we're going to try and see if anything is right here. So let's just watch and see as we go through this morning. All right, my husband and myself. All right. I just use my gloves. We use this a while ago, you know, and I see that there's something right here. See there? These are sweet potato right there. Now I use my little, what do you call it? Shovel. So, wow. Some bad at all. Eh? Let me scrape it in. Think it big enough to take it out? See them? Yeah. See them? See the people? They're taking out this one. Yay. Yay. Look at it. Yay. Hey, papita. Alright. So, get one. There it is. Thank God. Got 217 anymore. I noticed that each of them is just one, then just put out. And no more gear. Let me have more down in there. Oh, we plant. Okay. So this is people may not really, so we get stuff and we plant it, but not as much.